Okay, let's be real. Your life isn't totally broken, but if you're here, something's gotta change, and fast. Maybe you're drowning in procrastination, stuck in a rut, or just sick of your own excuses. And hey, I get it. Most fix your life advice sounds like just wake up at 4 a.m., drink kale smoothies, and meditate for 3 hours. Cool. But what if you don't have 3 hours? What if you need a turnaround today? Here's the brutal truth. You don't need a year. You don't even need a week. You just need one day. But it's got to be a do or die day. Not I'll start Monday. Not when I feel motivated. Today. Why? Because your brain is a master negotiator. It'll always talk you out of change unless you force its hand. Ever notice how you suddenly clean your whole apartment when a deadline's looming? That's your survival instinct kicking in. So let's hack it. Here's your one-day life fix framework. The triple D. Decide, delete, do. First, decide. Pick one big thing you've been avoiding. Career, health, relationships. Second, delete. Cut one thing sucking your energy. Social media doom scrolling, toxic convos. That Netflix show you've rewatched 6 times. Third, do. Take one massive action today that moves the needle. Not research, not plan, do. Email that client, sign up for the gym, have the awkward talk, burn the ships, no retreat. Your brain will freak out. It'll say, this is too much. Let's just scroll memes. Ignore it. This isn't about motivation. It's about leverage. You're creating a do or die moment where inaction hurts more than action. So right now, pause this video and text someone. Accountability check. Ask me tonight what I did today to change my life. Now you have to deliver. You won't fix everything in a day, but you'll break the spell of someday. And once you do, momentum's on your side. So go. Make today your do or die day. Then comment what you did or almost chickened out on. And if you want more no BS strategies to take control, hit subscribe. Your future self will high-five you or yell at you. Depends on what you do today.